today is day 2 at Hyderabad and this is my fit. I'm wearing this white skirt, this green top, this thing, and yes. So we'll be leaving Diva's home today and we'll be booking a room, and yeah, we're gonna be visiting some places and eat some biryani again today. This is my hair, my fit, and I have packed my bag, so we're gonna be leaving in another 5 minutes maybe. Our bags are packed and now we'll be leaving Diva's home and we'll be going to just Charminar. Come to Mahfil for, like, I'm not getting the name, it's like Mayfield, I guess. Mayfield for lunch, and the clothes. The theme is really dark, so the lighting is really bad here. So this is Hyderabadi biryani. It tastes so good. We have ordered veg biryani. So this is our Hyderabadi biryani. So we are near Charminar and I will be doing a little shopping over here. So yes, I want to do this like outfit reveal. It's so good. I have paired it up with nice beautiful necklace, earring, and here, look at it. All the traffic. Front of Charminar.
Charminar के तरफ सेल फोन, हैंडबैग्स, pickpocketer चोरों से बचा रहिए और अपने.
We are in front of Charminar. And the experience here is not that great because like I'm not able to click right pictures because people are a little annoying and they keep like coming to sell their products. That's really like the thing that's not good. Okay, otherwise Charminar, nice. But now we're gonna do some shopping and then we're gonna go. Oh my god, I like the picture, the pink thing, and the Charminar looks really so good. I had come to this pearl store over here and I have got one earrings for my mom, and that's not that big but it's very small and tiny gift for my mom. Now we are waiting for the bangles to get ready. I'm just taking bangles like this one. I'm getting this thing ready, or we can even customize things, but I'm taking this one. She's taking that color. So yes.
కావాలమ్మా వద్దు అంటే పర్లేదు జై రక్షామంత్రికి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి అన్న కేసీఆర్ వద్దు.
Come to Chawwa Mahal and it's 5:40 p.m. already and it closes at 5 p.m. So the timings here are from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. but we are 40 minutes late and they are not letting us in. So Chawwa Mahal got cancelled and yes, we are now going to eat ice cream maybe. Come to this place, we have ordered 2 Nutella shakes because it was like, you know, the tragic story happened. The Chawwa Mahal was not open and we were supposed to make a reel in front of Charminar and that also didn't happen. So now we are here taking a short break and drinking 2 Nutella shakes over here, and then we're gonna be recording a video.
And then rest. No going anywhere. In the vlog. Or the vlog.
No, we'll go out for dinner.
Dinner, chicken dinner. wrong.
Winner, chicken dinner.
No, winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah. ನೋಡಿಸಿ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ. We got Nutella milkshake and we're gonna be drinking this. We are checking in. So this is our wait. So yeah, we'll be going in. Got a room and it looks like this. So this is the bed that we got, TV, backpack. So here is the mirror, and we have capital I guess over here, and this is the washroom. So this is my fit. So this is my fit. I'm wearing this yellow outfit, and I'm wearing this thing, a starfish, the star earring. Now we are waiting for the Rapido, and I'm wearing this jacket on, and this is the hairstyle that I'll be going with. Open hair is really not mine for sure. And now we are going, and yeah.
हाँ अंदर नहीं जा सकते। अगर क्या करते हैं
छोड़ना फिर तुम्हारे
नहीं 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 पेड़ बड़ा
Check. I had been to a restaurant and had must food. We had nice food, and now we're gonna be sleeping. So yeah, that's it for day 2. And day 2 was full of effects of Nazar from yesterday's, but it's fine. We somehow managed to survive the day, but yeah, so many kalish happened, and never mind. So yeah, ending the day with lots of positivity, and see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Bye.